Welcome to Intuition from Above, where we embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and personal growth. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for an extraordinary episode on nurturing authentic connections. In this video, we'll explore the power of fostering authenticity, vulnerability, and deep connection to build meaningful relationships. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. In a world that often emphasizes surface-level interactions, the importance of nurturing authentic connections cannot be overstated. True fulfillment comes from cultivating. Authenticity forms the foundation of nurturing meaningful connections. It involves embracing your true self, showing up as you are, and allowing others to do the same. By being authentic, you create a safe space for genuine connections to flourish. Vulnerability is another key ingredient in building meaningful relationships. It requires courage to open up and share our true thoughts, emotions, and experiences. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we invite others to do the same, deepening the bonds of trust and understanding. Deep connections go beyond surface-level interactions. They involve genuine understanding, empathy, and shared experiences. When we cultivate deep connections, we create a sense of belonging and support that enriches our lives. Please comment on what resonates most with you from our video today. Now, let's explore 13 powerful techniques and exercises to nurture authentic connections. Exercise 1. Active listening. Practice active listening by fully engaging with others and giving them your undivided attention. Show genuine interest and empathy, allowing for deeper understanding and connection. Exercise 2. Vulnerability sharing circle. Create a safe space where individuals can share their vulnerabilities without judgment. Encourage open and honest conversations, fostering a sense of trust and connection. Exercise 3. Authentic expression. Encourage authentic self-expression by creating an environment where people feel comfortable being themselves. Celebrate individuality and diversity, allowing for deeper connections to flourish. Exercise 4. Gratitude and appreciation. Cultivate a habit of expressing gratitude and appreciation for the people in your life. Acknowledge their contributions, strengths, and the positive impact they have on your journey. Exercise 5. Meaningful conversations. Engage in meaningful conversations that go beyond small talk. Discuss topics that matter to you, share your passions and aspirations, and encourage others to do the same. These conversations foster a deeper understanding and connection. Exercise 6. Acts of kindness. Practice acts of kindness towards others, whether it's lending a helping hand, offering support, or simply being there for someone. Acts of kindness create profound connections and foster a sense of community and support. Exercise 7. Shared experiences. Engage in shared experiences with others, such as participating in activities, adventures, or events that create lasting memories. Shared experiences deepen bonds and create connections that can withstand the test of time. Exercise 8. Authentic boundaries. Set and communicate authentic boundaries in your relationships. Respect your own needs and values while also respecting the boundaries of others. Establishing healthy boundaries promotes mutual respect, trust, and a sense of self-empowerment. Exercise 9. Compassionate communication. Practice compassionate communication by using kind and empathetic language when interacting with others. Listen attentively, speak from the heart, and seek to understand before being understood. Compassionate communication fosters deep connection and understanding. Exercise 10. Mindful presence in conversations. Practice being fully present in conversations, giving your undivided attention and listening with openness and curiosity. Be mindful of non-verbal cues. Observe and respond authentically. Mindful presence enhances connection and deepens understanding. Exercise 11. Shared values exploration. Engage in discussions and activities that explore shared values with others. Identify common values and collaborate on projects or initiatives that align with those values. This exercise creates a sense of shared purpose and strengthens connections based on mutual values. Exercise 12. Vulnerability journaling. Engage in vulnerability journaling by writing about your fears, insecurities, and experiences of vulnerability. This exercise allows for self-reflection, self-acceptance, and a deeper understanding of your own emotions, which can then be shared authentically with others. Exercise 13. Random acts of kindness. Practice random acts of kindness towards strangers, friends, or loved ones. Small acts of kindness, such as offering a genuine compliment, doing something unexpected, or helping someone in need, create positive connections, spread kindness, and uplift the spirits of those around you. My top 5 exercises are Exercise 2. Vulnerability sharing circle. Sharing vulnerabilities allows for genuine understanding and empathy, leading to stronger bonds between individuals. Exercise 5. Meaningful conversations. Engaging in meaningful conversations that go beyond surface-level interactions is essential for building authentic connections. By discussing topics that matter to you and sharing your passions and aspirations, you create an atmosphere of mutual understanding and connection. Meaningful conversations allow for a deeper exploration of shared interests and values. Exercise 9. Compassionate communication. Practicing compassionate communication involves using kind and empathetic language when interacting with others. By listening attentively, speaking from the heart, and seeking to understand before being understood, compassionate communication fosters deep connection and understanding. It promotes an environment of trust, respect, and empathy. Exercise 11. Shared values exploration. Exploring shared values with others is a powerful way to foster authentic connections. Identifying common values and collaborating on projects or initiatives that align with those values create a sense of shared purpose and strengthen connections. When individuals come together based on shared values, it deepens understanding, trust, and mutual support. Exercise 13. Random acts of kindness. Practicing random acts of kindness towards others creates positive connections and spreads kindness. By offering genuine compliments, doing something unexpected, or helping someone in need, you uplift the spirits of those around you. Random acts of kindness create a ripple effect, fostering a sense of community and connection. These exercises prioritize vulnerability, meaningful conversations, compassionate communication, shared values, and acts of kindness. By incorporating these exercises into your life, you can foster authentic connections that bring joy, support, and fulfillment. Remember, nurturing authentic connections takes time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure to implement these practices in your life and share your experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned for more transformative content on intuition from above. Together, let's nurture authentic connections and build meaningful relationships that enrich our lives.